Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my Sports Apparel Business Plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is I will walk you all through my Sports Apparel Business Plan template, specifically the Word document, which contains the actual business plan template, and then the financial model, which is in Excel. All right, so without further ado, let's zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. So if you do need some assistance in writing your business plan, you don't want to mess around with tutorials and templates, be delighted to write your business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon in relations to business plan writing books. Check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you need some help with those pesky financial projections, be delighted to do those for you. All right, enough about my infomercial, a little bit about now. What we're going to do is focus on the business plan template for sports apparel. When you do, if and when you do purchase my sports apparel business plan template, and you open up the Word document, you're going to be greeted with a title page. Most of my clients are going to get rid of this writing here. They'll put their logo and then leave business plan underneath. Next section is your table of contents. Once you update the business plan template with your information, go to the table of contents, click on Update Table, update entire table, click OK, and then the page numbers and your titles will update accordingly. Your next section is going to be your executive summary. Gives you a real good starting point for the sports apparel business summary here. Target market information here. Financial highlights here. For the financial highlights, you do need to update the financial model with your information. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and pull out the important information for your financials. And then finally, your funding request segment right here. For your company description section, I do give you a great starting point for a sports apparel summary, which you can put right here. Popular products and services you can describe here. Competitive advantage segment. Primary target market, pricing strategies included as well. Hours of operation, important. And then we have the location section as well as a description of the location. And then this section ends with your business objectives and timeline. Where do you anticipate to be in 3 months, 6 months, and a year? Put that information here. The next segment is your industry analysis. And what I do is I obtain my information for the industry report from IBIS World. In my opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. So I will go to the report, summarize it, and put it into my template. And of course, I give them credit where credit is due in the footnote. SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Just click on the smart art, click on the wording, and you can put your information there. The next segment is going to be the organizational structure. In the organizational structure, we have two segments, the ownership segment and the organizational chart. Anywhere throughout the business plan template you see yellow, you definitely want to make sure that's your information or it's aligned with your company. For the smart art, just click on the wording, put your information in there, and you're all set. For the marketing section, I do give you 3 starting points for 3 different marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. And then the next segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started, and the various terms that are standard in the industry. Feel free to change the information to, again, best align with your company. And then for the financial projections, I do include your profit and loss for year 1. It's broken up monthly as well as quarterly. On this page is going to be month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then year 1 through year 5 for your pro forma income statement. And the pro forma income statement just summarizes your revenues, your expenses, and your net income annually for the next 5 years. In order to update this information, you do need to update the financial model. And once you're done updating the financial model, just copy and paste the financial statements into the Word document. And speaking of the financial model, here is my financial model that's included in the template. It has 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, your profit and loss, and your income statement. All of your changes are going to happen on your information page. Anywhere in the darker color cells is where you're going to update your information. The information that you can update is going to be your daily sales information, your labor, your startup cost, monthly fixed cost, tax rate, growth rates annually for revenues, and then you also have an area you can go ahead and grow your fixed cost, and then finally your loan information. So once you update this information with your information, it will automatically update your projections, which is just a summary of your financial standing. It will also automatically update your profit and loss statements, and it will automatically update your income statement. Once you're done updating your information, just copy and paste the financial statements into the Word document, and you'll be all set, ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do want to buy my Sports Apparel business plan template, you can go to this link right here. Included in the template purchase is the Word document that I showed you, the Excel file that I showed you, and also as a bonus, you do have access to business plan writing tutorials. You can go to this link right here. They're free. You can access them now or after you purchase it. What's not included in the template is the Microsoft Excel and Word. You do need to have Microsoft Excel and Word in order to edit the templates. I also do not offer free phone support. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great discussion about the template. However, after you purchase the template, if you need help filling it out, I do charge for that service. I can fill it out for you, or I can provide mentoring for you, but there is a fee for my services. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and tutorials, you just want a professional to write your plan or do your financial projections, I do offer custom business plan writing services. Check out my packages at this link right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.